square by 2, 3 into a minus 1 whole square by 2. Now, 48th question. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines x plus y is equal to 1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, and 4x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 lies quadrant number. So he is asking to finding orthocenter of the triangle. So for this one, based on orthocenter, I gave one formula. Okay, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 into l2 is equal to, so this formula, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 into l3 is equal to a1 a3 plus b1 b3 is into l2 is equal to a2 a3 plus b2 b3 into l1. So orthocenter satisfied this one. So I gave at somewhere in previous last week class, I gave that formula. So if you use that formula, in concurrent lines I gave, yes, in concurrent lines only I gave this formula. This is the note. Orthocenter of the triangle formed by L1, L2, L3 given satisfies L1 into A2, A3 plus B2, B3 is equal to L2 into A1, A3 plus B1, B3 is equal to L3 into A1, A2 plus B1, B2. So here A1, A3, B1, B2, B3 are, all these are constants. Here L1 is nothing but this is the line. L2 is nothing but this is the line. L3 is nothing but this is the line. If we expand this one, so in this expansion we have x comma y. Again, this relation in terms of x comma y only. If you find that x comma y, that is nothing but orthocenter. Very clear answer. If you find x comma y, that is our required orthocenter, because of orthocenter satisfies this line equation. This is, if you simplify, you get an equation. Orthocenter satisfies this one means here if you find x comma y based on this one, that is nothing but orthocenter only. So that is the concept I am using here. See here. So a2 a3 plus b2 b3 into l1 plus a1 a3 plus b1 b3 into l2 is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 into l3. So simplify a2 a3 plus b2 b3. a2 a3 means these are the a2 a3 b2 b3. 8 minus 3 into l1 means x plus y minus 1 is equal to a1 a3 2 plus 3 into l2 means 2x plus 3y. Sorry, a1 a3 means 1 into 4 4 plus 1 into minus 1, 4 minus 1 into L2 means 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to A1 A2, 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 3, 3, 2 plus 3 into L3, that means 4x minus y plus 9. Simplify, this is 5x plus 5y minus 5 is equal to 3 2s are 6x, 3 9s are, sorry, 3 3s are 9y, 3 6s are 18 is equal to 5 4s are 20x minus 5y plus 45. So equate any two. Any two, if you equate, you get two line equations. If you solve them, that is nothing but our required orthocenter. So first equate these two. Any two you can equate. 5x plus 5y minus 5 is equal to 6x plus 9y minus 18. So 5x plus 5y minus 5 transpose this side. 6x minus 5x, x. 9y minus 5y, 4y. Minus 18 plus 5, that is minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, this is first equation. Now equate these two. 20x minus 6x, 14x, minus 5y minus 9y minus 14y plus 4y plus 18, plus 45 plus 18, that gives plus 63 is equal to 0. If you solve them, these two equations by cross multiplication method, any method you can, if you solve. So what it says, x y1 4, so I am writing 4 minus 13 1 4, 4 minus 13 1 4, and minus 14 63, 14 minus 14, minus 14 63, 14 minus 14. Cross multiplication, x by 4 into 63 252 minus of minus into minus plus 14 13s are 182 is equal to y by cross multiplication, 13 14s are minus 182 minus 13 into 14 minus 63 is equal to 1 by, so 1 into 14 minus 56. So here x by this is positive because of he is asking which quadrant that ortho center lies in, which quadrant he is asking. So it is positive, it is negative. So if you transpose here, positive by negative, negative only. It is negative, it is negative. Negative by negative, positive only. So negative comma positive, that is in second quadrant. So answer is second quadrant. No need to simplify this one. If you want to simplify, you get this one. Okay. So very clear answer. He is asking, ortho center lies in which quadrant. That is only the answer we have to say. So no need to simplify. If you want to simplify, you get like this. Okay. Next question. If the straight lines 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, and ax plus by minus 1 is equal to 0, form a triangle with origin as a orthocenter, then a comma b is given by. So they given a comma b, and he doesn't give coefficients of one side which lies on the line equation. Okay, so that means coefficients they didn't give for a third line ax plus by. So but they given here orthocenter, that is nothing but origin 0 comma 0 only they given. So in this case we just use the relation between a comma b. If you get two relations, we can find the answer. How can you find? It is not easy to solving these two and these two and these two, and finding the origin, that means finding the orthocenter. Okay, little bit lengthy. So in that case, we just remember concurrent lines. Again, concurrent lines concept, if you remember, you can get it easily. How can you find? So this is these two and this one are point of concurrence. Okay, this is A is the point of concurrence. So this line, this OA is passing through intersection of these two lines L1 and L3. Okay, L1 and L3. So then OA line we can write as L1 plus some lambda into L3 is equal to 0. So just use that formula. Okay, equation of OA is L1 plus lambda into L3 is equal to 0. So this is also one of the concept to do this problem. Okay, so concurrent lines so that's why concurrent lines concept is very important. L1 plus lambda into L3 is equal to 0 because of this OA is passing through origin 0 comma 0, that is orthocenter. If you substitute in this equation, you get a lambda value. Again you substitute here, you get the original equation of OA. Okay, so that is the concept here. So L1 means 2x plus 3y minus 1 is plus L3 means ax plus by minus 1. So substitute 0 comma 0. Since it is passing through origin 0 comma 0, so this means 0 plus 0 minus 1 plus lambda into 0 plus 0 minus 1. Lambda into minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 0 means minus lambda is equal to 1 or lambda is equal to minus 1. Again substitute, that gives 1 implies 2x plus 3y minus 1 plus minus 1 into x plus by minus 1. So totally, if you take x common, x comes separately, 2 into minus a, 2 minus a into x plus 3 minus b into y, minus 1 minus into minus plus 1, 0. So we have 2 minus a into x plus 3 minus b into y is equal to 0. Since this is nothing but OA line equation, so we got exactly. So OA line equation, this is the orthocenter. This is nothing but orthocenter means point of concurrence of altitudes. So altitudes means OA is perpendicular to BC. So OA is perpendicular to BC means product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. So here slope of OA is nothing but minus of 2 minus a by 3 minus b into slope of BC is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Okay. So what you have is equal to minus 1. So minus into minus plus 2 minus a by 2 into 3 minus b is equal to minus 1. So 2 that is 2 minus a is equal to 3 2s are 6 minus 2b. So here minus is there. So minus 6 plus 2b we have. So this minus a transpose this minus a transpose this side, a plus 2b. This 2 also transpose this side, minus 6 minus 2, that is minus 8 is equal to 0. So we have a plus 2b minus 8 is equal to 0. So we have one relation between a and b. Similarly, if you go for another two sides, Same OB, if you go for equation of OB is nothing but L1 plus lambda into some L2 is equal to 0. Okay, since it is also passing through origin only, so here L1 means 2x plus 3y minus 1, L2 means x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Since it is also passing through origin, so we have this total 0 plus 0 minus 1 plus lambda into 0 plus 0 minus 1. So minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 0 means lambda is equal to minus 1. So substitute lambda is equal to minus 1 in third equation. We have 2x plus 3y minus 1 plus minus 1 into x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. So if you simplify, 2x plus 2x minus x, that is plus x, 3y minus 2y, that is plus y, minus 1 plus 11, that is plus 10 is equal to 0. Since here also OB is perpendicular to AC line equation, what is this? Ax plus by minus 1 is equal to 0. So here slope of OB is nothing but minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1 into slope of Ax plus by minus 1 is equal to 0 means minus A by B is equal to minus 1. So minus minus get cancelled. So we have minus A is equal to B, or B is A is equal to minus B. Okay, A is equal to minus B. So we have two equations in terms of A comma B, second and fourth. So using 2 comma 4, if you solve, so in the place of A substitute minus B. So minus B plus 2B minus 8 is equal to 0. So minus B plus 2B means B is equal to 8. So if B is equal to 8, then A is equal to minus 8. So that our required answer is minus 8 comma 8. This is the answer for this question. Like that we have to do all those problems.